Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I hope everyone have a great day. Welcome to another Coding Every Day Till I Get a Job. This is day 31, 31st. So I think I would like to finish the mockup and page. Yeah. It's actually day 31, but yeah, okay, sorry. The noise is a bit too. I want to pop out the chat and kind of use the link over here because it's always different every single time. Okay, I think the new chat should be there. Let's try to do a test. And I think it should appear somewhere there or not. I don't know. But it is what it is. Okay, no worries. Never mind. Okay, so I think what I want to do is finish the resource page. So yeah, that's what I want to do. So I think we should just get started. We did the about page yesterday, so I think we can make a new page called the resources. And then we're going to make the dynamic one, and then here we have the page.tsx because it's supposed to be dynamic, I guess. Okay, cool, nice. Okay,
Lu tuh masih pakai Aditok ya? Masih pakai Aditok ya?
masih kenapa?
Dia base-nya apa auto ya?
Auto. Enggak bagus, jelek, jangan.
Itu gara-gara Alditoknya apa emang auto-nya?
Walaupun murah, kayaknya gara-gara mungkin karena bukan prioritas kali ya, jadinya enggak
Saya maksudnya bukan auto-nya.
enggak sih. Cuman sekarang better sih. Kalau dulu tuh di HBF nggak bisa, sekarang udah bisa. Paling kalau ya kayak waktu itu yang ke Elts atau kemana itu kan juga nggak bisa. Oh,
Pas ke hutan-hutan.
iya. Tapi ya enaknya dia murah, cuman 9 euro, terus dapat 15. Hmm. Hello, Ariane. Welcome, welcome. Okay, I don't know why the YouTube chat's not working. Wait, yeah, 1 second. I am using Next.js. I am still learning some of the basics, actually, to be honest. So it's still learning. I'm still learning. If I'm being honest. Oops. Yeah, but yeah, to be honest, I'm still learning. Huh, why is the chat not showing? I'm not entirely sure. I want to try to do full stack, but I guess right now I'm really focusing on the front end side because okay, the chat is there. Okay, so yeah. Still on front end. I guess the chat just didn't load, but I guess it's loading now. Okay, good. Yeah, previously wasn't loading. Okay, this is not working. Why is that? Oh, because I need to get the state data first. Because this is... Okay, I think I'm just gonna copy paste it for now. Because this is way too many if I did it on my own. Okay. So where do we get the... Oh, okay, I forgot that we need to get the params, which has the type of a string, yeah, and then Yeah, I think maybe yeah, post it on LinkedIn should be something I should try. Be I don't know why is it still resource. We already have resource, so why is it not doing anything? Okay, what is wrong with this one? Oh, cool. Okay. Okay, let us try that again. What is that? Damn, I even got it to shadow in your project. Yes, like who wouldn't like to be sponsored by Yahoo, bro? That's awesome. Sponsored by Yahoo and Jägermeister on Altitude. Okay, hope my voice is not too loud or too far because yeah, I'm leaning back a bit so that it wouldn't hurt my shoulder. So, yeah. Okay, that should do it. Both are size 8. This is supposed to be size 12, size 8. Border B. This is border right. Border R. This is going to be TR. This is also going to be TR. I think rounded BR. Let's try to, okay. Absolute top 0 left. Border T, border L. Absolute right. Pointer even absolute top right. This is supposed to be right. Size 8. Border T and then border R. Border primary and then TR, I think. Yes, this is supposed to be TR. And then the next one is bottom left rounded PL. This is supposed to be PL, and then it's border PL. PL. And then the other is TR, TL. Oh no, this one is supposed to be BR. Okay. Okay. Here, split here, split here, just here. And we okay, nice. I think we put it in the wrong div, but that's okay. You know what? Let's just do this. Sorry, I should have just done this from earlier. Let's delete that. The return is just going to be this div. Sorry, I just need to copy paste this because it's too much nested div. It's confusing. Yep, and then we need to create this sidebar. Okay, for the sponsor sidebar, let's comment them up.
Peace.
Let's do that now and see how it looks. Okay, that's not bad. Okay, I just need to make the padding of this to be 16, I believe. Yes. No, the padding X should be 16. There we go. So that would be the same. Hello, hello. Oh, alright. You guys, how is everyone? Okay, this looks okay. Now let's do the resource 2. Awesome. No, this looks amazing. Now we just need to create the sponsor sidebar, which is supposed to be sticky, but I'm gonna try to just copy paste it first and then see how it goes. If there's an error, I think I'm gonna try to fix it, see what's wrong, because this one uses a lot of use ref, which I'm not very familiar with. So yeah. Hello. Good morning. System design and DSA is interesting as well. Okay, I'm gonna copy paste this and see what's wrong and try to fix it, but we'll see how it goes for now. And then we can go back to page in here, and then we can go to sponsor. Let's see what's the error in this sponsor sidebar. Ah, okay, so the error is that it's supposed to just stop here, but it's still overlapping to the footer. I don't know which part that actually destroys that. Okay. Okay, let's see. Maybe we should make it I don't know, is this a bit too cramped? I don't want this to do that. How can we change it? Okay, let's see if this fixes the problem. I ask AI again, so I apologize. Wait. Let's see if this works now. Okay, that's not what I want. I still want it to be sticky, but okay, that's wrong. Okay. Good morning. Hello. Okay, let's see if this is correct. It's almost correct, but why does it stop there? Why does it stop being sticky in the middle here? Which it should stop here. Huh, okay. Good morning. Let's see if that works. How is everyone's Friday going so far? Sorry, it's just that this is the last few component for this, and I think the front end should be good. And then I could continue and try with the back end. I don't know why it's... I wanted to keep sticky, but then reach here. Anybody knows how I could achieve that? Okay. Okay, I don't know why it did that. Huh. What is when it goes here, it would just do that. I don't know why. Huh. Okay, let's try. I want to try to... Huh, that's odd. Wait, what? Oh, it's with workspaces, sorry. How can we do that? Yeah. Sticky sidebar that scrolls. Okay. One second. This, I don't know why it breaks by when scrolling just twice. So that's going to be a problem. See, it breaks as well in the responsive one. So I don't know why it keeps jumping. Maybe there's something to do with it being relative, I think. Hmm. Okay. Or am I overcomplicating things? And it would just use okay. This is a bit dumb, but let's try that. Mm, yes, can I have why does it jump? Aspect VDU. Oh, okay. The handle scroll function calculates. Okay. Okay, why is it missing? This is almost working, but I do not want it to be gone. It's just whenever it goes and reaching the footer, it's just gone. I don't want it to be gone. I want it to okay, wait, yeah. This is odd. Okay. Component client. What is this? Get bonding client. Any sidebar. This is sorry, I'm gonna finding the solution on how to do this. Let's see if this makes any difference. Okay, it works. Nice. I don't know about the get bounding client thing though. Sorry, this is oh, it's the web API. Okay. To provide information about the size of an element and its position relative to the viewport. Okay. This is new for me. Does this return the... Yeah, okay. The size of an element and its position relative to the viewport. Yeah, okay. That's... Good morning. That's definitely what this is about. Okay, I think 16 pics... Oh, it's much better. I was trying to do this, the sticky one. It's working now, and yeah, I guess it works right now. Although maybe I'm just gonna put one div and not put the email because it's already in the footer. Okay, but I guess this is almost everything about the front end. Yeah, I was trying to do this sticky, but okay, let's see how it is on mobile. Okay, it looks okay. Okay, it looks okay. It looks fine. Just the footer is not looking good with these. Okay. Hmm. And yeah. Hmm. Now what I want to do is just how to make the classes responsive. Now I want to make the nav bar responsive. I just wanna a nav bar that shows hamburger menu. The thing is, my logo is in the middle, right? And I don't know if it's possible to make it a certain way.
Freshness straight from the field is worth it. Quality from the number one in fruit and vegetables is worth it.
Who makes this
Variety is worth it.
AI dubbing ads, man? Lidl is a billion-dollar company. They could make it.
Fine tomatoes, a kilo at Germany's lowest price.
Why
Now
is it?
only 0.89 cents.
Why do they use AI?
Coolblue. Unfassbar gut. Das sind ganz viele unfassbar günstige Produkte.
Hey guys, in this video we will make this responsive navigation menu using Tailwind CSS and 2 lines of JavaScript code.
AI is cheaper. Yeah. I think I'm just gonna ask AI to do it, I guess. But yeah, okay, the sidebar works. Everything works so far. Now let's just make it let's just make the sidebar. Sorry, not the sidebar. The nav bar better. Okay, how should I prompt it? I'm gonna try. Okay, but this is on this, and this is on the right. Let's see if that works. And also I need to fix the footer. I think just add some padding to it. Okay, that's actually not that bad. Let's see it on iPhone. Okay, was it so? Nice. Most companies want to hire us often a just fine solution, be it an advertisement or website design or even code for less is seen as better investment. Yeah, I guess they don't want it to be like costing it too much, no? Okay. Can I make it with full? Let's see if I can make it with full for some sort of sidebar. Basically, in the next few years, we will start marketing things as made by humans to give it more values. I guess so. I mean, I see it happening in the coding industry. I mean, yeah, it's happening right now, I guess. I mean, it's happening with like photos and everything, right? With like image generation. LG call span 1. Where is Yeah, I guess now, like, oh, with AI, but then I guess in the future it's built by human would be something, yeah, more valuable because doesn't do that. Okay. How can I make? Oh, okay. It's not. This is fault, not this fault. It's the sponsor sidebar, and in the resource card that they have a mistake. Okay. Okay. Figma, the design software, is proving to promote designs to functional code. Google said this year 40% of the will be written and ChatGPT can already design. I think Google just announced, is it Stitch, if I'm not mistaken? Stitch, designed with AI Google. I think they just introduced this a few days ago, and like, yeah, this is insane. And I think Figma also announced like the code to AI, no, the design to code stuff with, yeah, I guess this is gonna be exciting and terrifying at the same time. The world we live in right now. Right? But for the nav bar, I still the peaks. Exactly. Yeah. I guess we just have to be more flexible with how we do our work, right? Not to be bound and be able to use the AI tools effectively, but still know what. Okay, why is it not working? Huh, okay. Button. This is interesting. Maybe we can give it a try on some websites. I'm so confused right now. Oh, yeah, I just saw the news. Like, damn, that's crazy. Like, they're doing it again? More upgrade? It's the nuclear race of today. Who can make it the smartest and the cheapest? That's going to be very, very interesting. Huh, it was working. Now it's not working anymore. What? What the fuck? Maybe. Interesting. Okay, cool. Apparently this works with the bottom, so I don't know why it does that. Why does it keep having a hover effect even though I didn't? Huh, that's odd. Okay. That is really odd. Okay. Okay, cool. Okay, that's a bit weird, but alright, it's fine. Okay, is it like a browser thing? That's always error. You know what? It's fine. I don't care. Why is the padding broken now? Hey, okay. Okay, it's fine. Resource not found. Okay. Sorry, this took way longer than I should have been, and it shouldn't be this long. Okay. PX16 MTPA. Okay, grid calls 1 MD, grid calls 2. We don't have a PX, I just realized. Maybe adding some PX2 could help. I think on large that we shouldn't need a PX. Because I still want it on medium. I guess I just have to live with it. Doesn't matter. Let's see if it's on a tablet. Probably iPad, because oh yeah, because I haven't made this into a marquee yet. Okay, I want to make this into a marquee. Let's do that as well. But I guess for the footer and header, it looks okay. Yeah. Okay, I just need to make the peel a marquee. Ay, ay, ay. Hello, hello, welcome. Sorry, not that much coding, just fixing today. Just want to make sure everything looks and feels proper. Mm, okay. How can we make this into Tailwind 4? Because I don't think it will work right now. Yeah, see? I need to add it to the globals.css. I just don't know how. Should I put it here? Animate marquee, okay. Right now, I just want to fix some of the responsiveness issue between the footer as well as the header. It's now a bit more responsive. And then we created the resource page. And it has a sticky sidebar. So I think that's pretty good. Yeah, this is pretty good. Okay, what is this? Margin left 8. Actually, I want to remove that margin 8. Let's see. Let's probably make it 2. Yeah. Yeah, I think this is much better. I do not want the margin left. Maybe for the gap, we can also make it shorter, but it's in the resource card and it's in this page. It's was it gap again? What's with the gap? Gap 8. Colds, criticals 3. I think I like this much better. Like I don't. Okay, maybe gap 6. Yeah. Okay. Gap 6 is much better. The text though, I think the text I'm gonna make it justified, so it's readable and probably remove a lot of the. Yeah. Okay. We can change that later, but right now. Okay. This is from one of the AI. How to do the animate marquee. So first we need to have a add layer utilities, which is dot animate marquee. Okay, I think this is not the correct one, but I don't want them to be marquee. Wait, no. What if I just want them to be? Okay, wait. Learn coding with no mouse. Still trying. It's just that I'm still trying to like move around with this for the coding part. I'm trying to use less mouse. This is that because I'm still moving around between some of the pages. That's why that's why I'm still using this. But for inside the NeoVim, I'm still using this. Okay, now how do we hide this? It's already correct. I just want to hide this. Do we add that scroll bar here? Hide scroll bar. Okay. It's just that I'm still like using the browser. That's why I'm still using the mouse. But inside the new Vim, I try to use less mouse. Hopefully. But yeah. Uh, okay. Okay. I hope that works. No, it doesn't work. What? Why? It was working. Was it? Okay, how do I remove the scroll bar? Hmm. Okay, that's not working. What course did you graduate? I'm still waiting for my colloquium or my thesis defense. I hope that that is the course you meant, not other types of courses. I hope I'm not interpreting it wrong, but yes. For me, it has been hard because for me it's kind of difficult as well because I guess it's either my experience that is lacking, that I don't have enough experience, or it's probably the language barrier that is difficult here. It is quite difficult, I guess, because with all the AIs and all the layoff and all the other senior engineers that are laid off and taking the junior position, but I guess we just have to be patient, I guess, because I don't think companies will stop hiring junior because wow, example.com is like a universal domain, I guess. Let's try this. Visit site. That is cool. Okay. Okay, I guess for the UI, it's almost finished, to be honest. Just, okay, I don't know why that, okay, this is the Lucid problem. But overall, it's been wonderful. It's been nice. Some of the, yeah, it's just empty buttons with no functionality, with no logic yet. So I guess tomorrow we could try. Okay, so we fix this. We add these marquee, sort of like a marquee-esque for the pill shape that is going to be a filter in the future, hopefully. We did email this, we did a submit, probably go to an external form like Tally. And about is done. All the social media is not made yet, but hopefully soon. All the pages are still using dummy static data, and yeah, I guess that's it for today. I'm sorry if I didn't talk a lot, and we don't really have many chats for today, and that's okay, and that's fine. Maybe tomorrow or some other day we could get more lucky, but yeah, I guess one last thing is I think we can try to do so I'm using this lazy get. I found it tools about like about it's called lazy get to help in like with new Vim Tmux and anything like that. It looks amazing. Yeah, actually I was thinking about making it a drag and drop. As of right now, I need to use the yeah, I was thinking of maybe like making it drag and drop, because right now I need to use the touchpad on my laptop. I think this still needs a bit more fix, right? I need to use this, which is not that good, but I think if it's on mobile, you can scroll it. So maybe I will make it like a something draggable. Is there any way to make it draggable? So I need to use the touchpad. What? That's actually yeah. Is there like an internship in your university? Yeah, true. I also felt that way, to be honest. Like, okay, I can't really scroll it, but if it's on mobile, I can scroll it. So maybe it's a browser thing. Maybe there is another WebKit class that I haven't put, perhaps. We do have an internship, but I already did it. But it was before coming here to Germany. So yeah. If it's a mobile, for some reason it works. I don't know why it doesn't work if it's on tab. Okay, let's try it if it's on a tablet, because on tablet it would work. And if someone was using desktop, all of this will be viewed anyways. But yeah, I'll definitely think of a way maybe to make it scrollable or draggable. Sliding is like scrolling. Yes, but yeah, I guess yeah, I guess that works. Roger that. Okay, I guess that's fine. I guess we can commit everything. And then C, it UI is maybe 80%. Or maybe in UI is UI first stage, because I guess there's gonna be more stages. Or super zoomed. Yeah. UI first stage is done. Yeah, bar filter source filter about page, and then I think enter. Cool. I think yeah, I guess right now it's probably the functionality should be next, and probably preparing the database and all the data. I need to keep it somewhere. My first manager was legally blind, so was zoomed in like 700% on his screen. Okay, I need, okay, that's an edge case that needs to be think about. Yeah. Yeah, I think you should put an internship experience into your resume. No, how else would you prove it? But I guess I already applied a lot. Hello. I'm sorry, my battery is dead. I need to open another device. Yeah, no, sorry, no, it's okay, EXP. It's I think you should put your resume, I mean, experience in your resume, right? Or else, what else would you have? Okay, I guess it's done. I think I need to prepare and eat. So I'll see you guys tomorrow to another coding every day until I get the job, because still no one made any reply to my thing. But yeah. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow to another coding every day until I get a job. Sorry, I forgot. I need to cook and I only have a few more hours before I'm late. But yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye. Sorry, I need to end it a bit abrupt. But yeah, thank you. See you guys again.